Bia kamal ka Nuer Tube wala bana ngich ka kui computer bana ngich ka malut computer ka kor ka mo kon ngi jame tu gan tama ko mbu kon tu she medit mo kon tu gan video me ka ngi ka kui computer ka no te ka on meton me chari ala ka pingwa mo mi bu kono loy kel no sha jegna ka bacha ka gorten man gora longwas me wo bi ngaje no computer le dedi mi she to gana me dar jillo ka long no gora no jin bi class me bi jogor class computer ga ko te ngwan ko writing kana to dong bro ka bukatin and I hope you're gonna catch something on this topic. Okay, ben a kwen ka to English ba ma tot balat ka to nat men gora longo bi ta na let computer ka jabi ngach ko che jibi kula gay no en gwada titi na mi jira ma jidit ka je Nuer Tube gore je en wojen der subscribe der je nyaak baka ne de ko kenden kon ko ke jen channel me ko gweje no en channel me be jilok mi je gor ben ngi je toptin ka jen ku computer ka ken tuknat ke English do dan dong der ander do day ngai ke je en gwana ten gwada me ngi ka ku computer ka kor ka mo kon ngi je me tuk mu kon ngi jeme tu ka toknat bana wonde wo on pin wanamo pelejis de pin ko brodo kap kabika ka dorm de ngach amen yam bana tiro dan what is a computer ngo ka toknat na me jen computer akan machine de ti de kon gatina machine de ti mi sha kulat gwaskel ala machine de tina ala pointing neme shalka hardware ke yino pointer kan kono pintong mi just introduction method ala computer tit neme yino ka kan yino ka titi ano brokole lab ke balat te mi shale software mo ajenan chakulat ko ba computer ba je kula lab software shalka ke instruction that tell computer what to do ke instruction ke ko ngwande ju computer no lenena kan chwalga software cha da kare bana writing anyok an computer hardware me la to gwi quantity ala ke physical component ke physical part of computer that you can touch and you can see ala dire ke tiap timnen montame to mosten to monitor ten to point the case meten la CPU to keyboard speaker and no can today tiap ton shalga ke hardware go adio je chimto chi jigata kwana pingwa same mi ja ite no computer yengu gore je bi lojina. A computer is an electronic device that process data according to a set of instruction or programs janawa a machine alai a yet menamo yet the me shali device ki a machine mila data ne ka rointen kon la computer la ka leatherech yom che ka la rech chal ke input kentin che la rech bakor yala ka kan yal bako jakatu gore jemi chala process it take input in process those input ala process information to mi che process the yoko kore ba mi shali output bejeno computer it takes input process the input or information and produce the output then and then do dan de look again but you know result gen lot common. A computer is an electronic device that process data according to a set of instruction or program. Essentially it takes input, process information and produce the outputs. At its core, a computer uses binary code la use a computer la mugo mukwena dore jami kwena jaka mishal ke 0 and 1 0 and 1 ame 0 ludena off 1 ludena on off ame gag door on ame lebeje to perform calculation and make decision mugoro la door beje kon calculate ki beje kon doj ta dan le nemo ke je beje chu yornan wo jano yen chwal ke jeno yen chwal ke je moy computer la data la ka tower jami ka ngai computer me ajo computer ngulu computer jena machine ke device mila ngwan la ka tawa na mo gore jen wo bi chula e cherkado wane wo gwadame key component of computer wajen take a component ke cha dak kareo te di shala hardware chimen yikonen mandan jene neme hardware okay to gui kongati commercial ke software bano writing gwadama chan write ke hardware ke nyam hardware man check on jugonene it is a physical part of anything that you can touch and you can see alajen de yenen ke de tiap ke yinen kan ci gatin pay kon kanen de tiap kanen ja and computer hardware mi mo kele component ke te joni te component dang roten hardware kanu kana software and tambura ni kon ka hardware cha dak ka category ko ken manyam te mutually central processing unit. Remember this, okay? Central processing unit ke mutually CPU. Name again CPU. Hardware. CPU me take lan medit. Jena wa jen nyet computer ka. Man kungwane ko ke remember ke kungwane ko ke team, you know. Central processing unit ke CPU jen lade wa chwale brain of the computer. Brain of the computer. Wa jen nyet computer ka. Chuye perwich. Micha ijogono central processing unit yengu bilar it work like brain of the computer. Alajen nyet computer ka ano. Ajen yen mo gwadame. Mi jini guji ka jen yedame de nen pina gwadame ajen micha wido komping gwadame. Jen cha hol kamraran. So nyet michi na me she woje tama an computer tan ba remember tan ba team. Changa password michi kama she ba team. Michi na me she kamrar. Michi na mbo michi computer shije ne kache je wojega no mo a charoro watch bu computer mo chablet bu computer be jak again shwala central processing unit ki CPU often called brain of the computer. It perform most of the processing mutem le rode agena mala ja process ki la jari alaka mutem ko calculate bo agena me la jari alaka mo and central processing unit but ladame di long to remember things again a brain of the computer. Remember main word here central processing unit or CPU. It work as a brain of the computer. Okay, wana kama na dien mila component dung hardware. Memory ngulodamo memory agwada dana la ngwan la ka tokoten chatwok la ngwan ajen chereke storage duno cha da kareo anjen a memory. Take a temporary memory, commercial permanent memory. Temporary memory shall a primary memory. A memory mila ngwa towa kabugabat. Alo chicken in a let ka computer book bleed a jagayo. La lede la ngwa towa and tam chimenen con screen at a continentama. Alam jacone and coname, michale temporary. Michale primary memory. Primary memory na mo lada wo be screen gu economy be jerom ko gwatore after that be but and memory include both volatile memory which is random access memory ban jonen mental ke RAM we temporarily hold data wajen la data la ka rom ko gwatot ko gwame check and RAM random access memory and non volatile storage like hard drive or SSD. Memory mo diyan mishala hard drive me jenen ku tidial ku ko rom rejemi ken ku kan data ku kan ka store data for a long time ala data la kan ka to ko gwam berke data bal la kan ka to ko gwa check me data mo to ko gwa check ba choli a primary storage primary memory mo kula take random access memory and mishala de temporarily it hold data. Menodian a non-volatile storage. Many are mere volatile memory like Roman ka gwatot but you know non-volatile storage me menchima la tuk michal ke gen storage murom ngak permanently Roman ka gwan me bear long shall kon to make example hard drive, flight disk and no DVD writer to a can contain nyot ka kangu ke michal ke non-volatile storage. Dio jem chorde kebka ku kemka kanang raw bana tura na me bana jenen neme a computer memory mgi kona me gwada me to kon ke volatile kene non volatile gwada pai konen go volatile memory ke memory kon tiram ko dor ka gwatot non volatile storage ke memory kon tiram ko dor ka gwa ber chamala jega random access memory kene mishal ke rom read only memory ken chwal ka kede chwal ke volatile memory ram jena me mgi kona me jen it determine the speed of the computer jen lat ram ka to kon ke external hard disk jen a non volatile jen chwale secondary storage device secondary storage memory me la roine la ka to ke long time la ken jen USB ba a non volatile internal hard disk na me bo a non volatile na me chwale floppy disk a non volatile na me bo me gui kona me CD writer mene a non volatile titi ke computer memory ke data storage device titi kuje me to ka external hard disk USB flash drive internal hard disk voka floppy disk na me chala floppy disk la use kana me ke most of the time la ja use ke keyboard la piano ka gwad wal yode ngor yode bo ke computer desktop lo la lat kare jami la lat ke read only memory na me yengi kona CD writer ma la data ne lat ka tin bo CD intam ja use along ko use ne flash along USB flash disk na me ne RAM random access memory na me agent system ko kon right kwida la computer so mu chiro de ke baka chagwa gwada me bi volatile being at canon volatile being at okay one device one another hardware component hardware under hardware name a input device gen a device pan alajen kwaje used to feed computer ki la computer la ja miet ka kaja de computer de je ko le miet de chit ka wo mi use the keyboard ka typing use mic clicking use scanner mala turne at coffee ka tur la ja la computer ka ja it allow user to interact with computer, right? That's all. But remember this input device, they are used to feed computer. Miet kana computer kaka akan sianen gwa to make an input device ne the most in DCR alai scanner the keyboard tin the scanner tin the trackball tin kana ko kiana ti touchpad a joystick dung game ka barcode reader titiga di actual ga di actual ka input device ngadan wo miet kana computer kaka ki lat kana ngwana de ka jen be you remember no manda dien mala hardware category output device these are device that display the result ke device la ja nyudo men ci lat jane mi ci kon computer ikona kam door ci kon input be display output device components such as mouse monitor and speakers that display or transmit the result of a computer process ala output device ke device and content non ke result gwada me chana right ke input device me find the karwada ke tin lat kana ngogre ke computer shit ke microphone lat kana do rek ku record joru werech man mi kon ban card for device gwada men bana bi jega no nena output device jen ku nong ni joda na ci record jomi ci ku record ke input ka gor jen obi bi nyoko mi lingi je de link ko bi link mi shala output jen ko te ke monitor mi video bo ka shi record video e input kenyam after that mi gori bi mi shala monitor anyok mi ku do ku ja ci do ci type ci la rek computer ka gor jen obi nen bi rom ka hard copy bi chu printer output device a speaker bono no jo ci record ku je link ci mi link music a speaker mo chala output device kena dialati ku kan display ni result dan chana kam nga man chana kam computer ci konto gwada mo ka hardware do diena me men bu kono guiten ken example de kono pay kon ken gwamene monitor me den a output device multimedia projector la projector dan la dor project ja ke screen jen bo output device te kon ko plotter neme mala ngwa ka eliminate ka ja to kon ke microfilm la gwa gunyaten the same chere ke monitor ba to kon ke printer titin chwal ka de kedi chwal ka ke output device of computer kan tanke ne kan kon galat gwatame chana ben ka category dodien ka component of computer chi kon to ka kwi hardware chana ben ka software kan wonni kan software can chwal ke instruction that tell computer what to do. They are instruction that tell computer what to do. Can you computer on go lenename. Mitel software chi computer cha delet. And software cha da kareo. Take a system software. System software ajana ja computer ko balet. Kenyam. Angoda tell application mishalat. And software cha da kareo. Take a system software. Commercial ke application software. Kareo retina. System software men let the Kenyam ko computer broad lab. Example gwadame and system software chet ka operating system. Operating system again ja computer ko broad lab chet ke window software chet ke Mac OS chet ke Linux you know kan ko ken. Do kon wi gwadame Window XP, Window Vista, Windows 7, Android mobile ngade OS de operating system de to kon ka Linux to kon ka Apple lama computer to kon ke Window 11 ke Window Vista ni Window XP ni ken dialti chwal ke system software mi goro be computer belet agenda la kona goro gwadamen te Window 10 tan cheka computer man tam you're the Window 10. Let's try to find it out. Okay, diak okay abe nyoda no a system again system software den yoda makajen computer me ko banta dan let computer ga jabane jangat ano dara kon logade ano dara kon loka doba den ano mishi ngaje no system software na menene cejide la dal goy gwada me deyinen to kon ke mishi ben ka karande de men ben ping gwada me bi operating system gwada men Windows 10 Pro 64-bit again operating system men ano agenda na gor kone. So operating system user a Windows 10 Pro 64-bit. Dio je che chulo don tama. So system software akantin go computer la let keke. Wana ka application software gwasme. Application software are program designed for specific task. Can lat keke ko bi ke kelb kana lat and software shall application software. Let's say it. And tama la presentation kan la de ka word. Muraje ka tinan tam a word finding application software. Okay, Excel application software, Photoshop mala turni editing application software, video editing ne application software, anyogba PDF file application software, find Facebook point men akuna le laure keje application software. Tegatin kana application ko kenton one. Bi ngaje no these are program designed for specific task. Jijin mu goro dwar dong de ko word ko Microsoft Word processors ko pone cha daga to one Excel ten to PowerPoint ten tegatin menu publisher Texas ten no mi goro yen yo ka application software to web browser ke software ko na jakono bu kon internet bu kon access chet ke Firefox chet ke Google Chrome wewe no wona ka Safari ni ko menu Opera no wewe nyam ka do chala ke web browser mi jeni wi ka game ne bo ka application software kana application software to lokana ko deran dere men gore dala de jala don gwazamo gon ngar game ka de ngar ke game ajen lot ka moko ka application software. Chana wuka a brief story of computer malot computer ki history gwade biten chikon bejenten gwazame simple gorkon just a brief thing. Early machine like mechanical calculator paved the way for electronic computers. The mid-20th century saw the emergence of pioneering devices such as ENIAC. ENIAC me jen computer lat kan wal ke 20th century you know. And ENIAC me alajan la tiang na romkel which were largely Rome site machine used primarily by government and research institution. Name machine me we kon chirom tiang na kele usually ENIAC ENIAC la tiang na Rome jen machine eniam me lat ke 20th century early development ka kwi computer ka alo shi derom koror nen yana detail on mara dien gwasa me computer mi chala microcomputers and personal computers microcomputers bo kana personal computer lat ka ke wa ke 1970 karon kit kel kulbang wan jen baro me the invention of the microprocessor in the 1970 lead to smaller me charge to na me jen microcomputer na me chalat ko den da side che kwa math chungwanu ken kamo ka pin more affordable computers chaw chu nyogo mulat ke abene ke small computer yen kon ta mini computer intama this innovation paved the way for personal computer revolution in 1980s making computer accessible to a much wider audience ke 1980 cha jacob computer ba medit ba jakam barungo na dial ko cha side cha yot pen ke cha did na mo cha jo jenen yen mo gwada computer di enen o cha side cha yot pen gwada me che ka side nyam che ka eni aka do chi konen gwada me ne me eni aka me dire long la tienga ne wulrom mo kwala chole eni ak ba ne me microcomputer kana personal computer cha ka ben daleka no gwada me chuna ben kam shalka modern era ka computer modern era me te ka jen computer kon ga use and tamam. Today, computer come in various form, from powerful desktop and laptop to mobile. Chuna ben ko bela desktop di me, chuna nyo computer, chuna yen yuna ben ka smartphone, ben na ka tablet gwadmen. Yenta dana chi charoda gerkeje. They are integral to nearly every aspect of daily life, from business to entertainment. I can't in use business can entertainment a lot entertainment industry like music, videos katongwan ko ken janta dan nderi sir computer moto de jega ja gwada men gwada me chana ben ka kamen ci kona lat kon ci kon ngich men chana ngich ne jen ko dan ko ron ka je ka wona men ano ci jen ke latin bat gore je ban je kwen kel mi ay jogne na what is the brain of the computer brain of the computer nga manan chana rajidi brain the computer ngu a hard drive, B, central processing unit, C, monitor, D, keyboard. Amendian injected. Jigde there amendian. Jigde a central processing unit. Again a chan jing mandan again let a langit computer ka a brain of the computer. The brain of the computer is called central processing unit. Jigde kian sare a b ngajino let chet kuma na channel at gwadan tije rawdo gwatme which of the following is an output device chan right output device in it output device they are the device that display the result be input be large be kul nong output mo ke device ken la ka yos ga jama ki rate tinte bukan ba kono kwene mendian la output device on mouse me output device lat kon ga jama keyboard output device printer output device scanner output device amandi la output device on mouse gwata me jen ngu a input ko lat kan la twanya ne jerech keyboard bo a input la type ne ngwan bu lat ka computer scanner gwata me ka di jen bo a input device jegde ngu a c a printer jen la soft copy la kananga hard copy ke jamone chale printer example of output device mjakon ko jegde ngu ac tijen diodien what does RAM stand for mandan che jogone no na me chale RAM wa chungu kwinguke RAM jen a volatile storage wajen la dadan la ka tawo ka gwam check it all data temporarily just for a short period of time ajan lat RAM ka chakulo RAM ko lo chonkong A random access memory, B random access memory, read access memory, B random access memory, C read and modify, D rapid action model. Jegdu mandian jegde a random access memory gwadmen random access memory read access memory teleje and mi cha lele je read only memory ala rom me rom da a part of this, but question dan gwa che bene o ram chungu ko kwingu ko r a random, a access, m a memory, jegde a b random access memory. Ngwandien gwasame, which of the following is an example of system software? Chana like a quiz system software. System software take a ping software. Ka system software wa example ikin get ikin man chana right then. Ko system software akan ja computer ko cooperate ko balet. Metal system software ci computer ci roda del men leb medon. Ja kulo man diere software ti la system software on. A Microsoft Word, B Google Chrome, C Windows 10, D VLC player, VLC media player. Man dia la jegdom. Jegde a Windows 10. Jegde men a Windows 10 gaje. Alam chala Microsoft Word me gen a application software. An application software, they are being used by to perform a specific task. La can perform ne lat kel me chaga joga je ladanama. But system software let can let dial. I can ku hardware and software la jaga bik function together. Okay? So jen kule la diana mona. Bikan ka jaga interact. But yam chokul ben ko an go team de la computer as long as the system software je la rech bikul ben kam shala application software bi application go dir use ka jen gwadama bi kule la rech bi kule install ka computer. So Microsoft Word ngu application software. Google Chrome application software. Under Mendian under mutual ke browser, web browser, Google Chrome. VLC media player jen la play ni video ne kan edit keje. Mijako application software. So jigdana ngu a Windows 10, Windows 7, Linux, dekonoka Mac OS, Android OS awewa. Jigdana ngu a Windows 10. Answer is C, Windows 10. Digen, the physical component of a computer are known as that. Physical component of computer are known as that. Men ante jogonena. Physical part of anything that you can touch and see, shwale hardware. Atyak no. Medere tap kedire nen jenangu a hardware jigde a b. Chan mo raja med gwadame. Software ngula ladamu. Software, they are instruction that tell computer what to do. Program can program to take a computer. They are simplified applications, musics, icon, and of that. Chalka program. Mubu konka data guadamene. Data kena awaken ka raw fact material that does not make any sense, but they exist. Chalka data, and in order for the data to make function, they have to be converted, translated, and make a meaningful information. Information data anjan. But data itself, they are just raw fact material that do not make any sense. Okay, but they exist. So jigdanangu a hardware, a physical component of a computer. Guatemala. Bakalian, what is the primary function of an operating system? Operating system wala Mendian. What is the primary function of an operating system? Function de Mendian. A. Manage computer hardware and software. Wa jen ko hardware kana software ko jagal het kel. B. Store user document wala to ne to konde la lat tele computer la document ke la ka to chika file ken. C. Display advertisement wala advertisement la nying ten content jogana me le dene ki ne magwana ke cholka advertisement la kan la new the noun. C. D. Create spreadsheet wala spreadsheet la jalat ke keja spreadsheet chira ke Excel mi mo application software. Display advertisement point abo lede application software bon store user document bo jen bo ngade la de cholo no application bo bana men gor ko gwata me jigdan mishale manage computer hardware and software chi ko right in mo jen jakani hardware kana software ko big let kel jegde ngu a jala jegdo mo me jak hardware kana software ko big let kel na mo shala jen primary function of operating system. What type of storage is hard disk drive or HDD? What storage me mishal ke hard disk drive ne ki HDD wajan storage indian ko hard disk amela ngok la to ko ten wajan kule le teka nying ton tinken a volatile amela ton kwa ko wato babat B permanent amato ngwane ka buga tin buga jan. C temporary amala ton ngwa ka wato ta buga bat. Optical many already again the same as the other one. So jegdan gwad me mendian mutual ke permanent storage. Permanent amato ngwane ka gwad me bar. Mato ngwane ka gwad me bara hard disk kel, flash disk teten, floppy disk teten, CD writer teten, DVD writer teten. Toto chalke ke permanent storage device. But volatile, temporarily optical titi chalke ke temporarily storage device. Ke chalke volatile device. But name chalke volatile device. But permanent non-volatile device. Allow me to chicken jack down A B. But again, what does HTTP stand for? General knowledge, take under internet. What does HTTP stand for? H chung kongu, T chung kongu, T K P chungan kongu. Hypertext transfer protocols. I technological transmission protocol. C hyper transfer text processing. D tech transfer process. Jig de A hypertext transfer protocol. Ala jig de namo mishal ke A yoni ni al guadame hypertext transfer protocol again jig de again shung HTTP kaja. One of guadame, which program language is considered the first high level language? Language eda ne kon computer let kaja shwaledi. A check shwale Fortran a di guadamene. Michalka Python ka language into PyChak, Java, COBOL no. Jagdengu a di Fortran a language in yam e kwanchak me let computer kaja a la programming language. Surely Fortran. Again the programming language menchalke first high level language. Mo konka assembly language yo bana menchalka COBOL bukona jak. Mo konka kan program no PyChak de bana Java jak Python kan to kokian won yam to kokian. But jigdan guadame menchalke Fortran amene. Question number 10. What does BIOS stand for? BIOS wachunga kuyunguka. Jen chale basic input output system. Basic input output system. B jene binary integrated operating system. C jene basic internal operating system. D jene big information output system. But magor kono goda me ala BIOS lurne tilat karech kana display net in kulunong ala we feed computer and computer also will output it. And output them sha a o shunga ke o input them shunga ke I SMO system. BIOS stand for basic input output system. Yen jek da no mon jek de a 11. Which of the following is not an example of input device? I mean the share input device guasame input device I mean okay share input device keyboard input device mouse input device monitor input device scanner again input device mouse sorry monitor me again langua again rarone again share input device on a guadmene ala monitor output device to under output device and output device they simply display the output jala la den misha video cha la rek men wi non nial ban je gui monitor and turno mo ki video mone so en me monitor shi input device output device so scanner input device na mo goreje en wo de kon nywa kele nono wana ka question 12. What is the full form of CPU? CPU chung a central processing unit. Central processing unit. Yalel gom central process unit. Central processing unit, central processing utility, computer processing unit. So jigdan AB. Janena guadamen central processing unit. Again chung CPU ke jamona. Question na wal jogden. What does GUI stand for? GUI ngulodam GUI a graphical user interface chere kam jak computer an ka bokon image de bana jenen gwatame A general user integration, no. B a graphical user interface. C general utility interface. D graphical utility integration. So jegdan a graphical user interface. Question Walngwandian gwasme. Wiki is used to refresh a web page in most browser. Wa keydian ka keyboard manjako bi computer bija refresh ki bija refresh alama dong che stack ka gorjen o da rode check ki da rode da rode min nyok me we ret nyok le say dong che stack lo che move ka gorje ba move anyok ngode le lo ne you simply have to press F5 F1 me help F5 alana me help F1 me dong kuji do bi F1 be twan be heb be display F5 ma point ka rwada jen kula langu jen kwa ngare refresh jamo web page one pingwata me gore F10 F12 ngula ladiana bikajek number 15 which type of memory is volatile jan right ku volatile jen a memory ki man talk dotin ka short period of time okay ja kon kulu jogo mandiel la volatile memory mo gwata me jan right non volatile non volatile ka tin taw ka data nitin ka long period of time ki taw ka data ni ka gwan bar ci kon hard disk jiganin flight disk ci kon yo ka CD writer DVD writer to kon ka floppy disk batan ngwat mane ti chala ke non volatile so chala ke non volatile but me volatile te romtin read only memory te random access memory tin no kerawti ti la to quality volatile ti but men dir gwada me mon gor kono long RAM jella random access memory ma eventual ke volatile memory man but rombo to under this but under primary storage device you know but keb random access memory can a rom kel together because this thing work together na me read only memory volatile bo do no gen la latan do tin ka ba jogo nyokolo la simple all something for a while but random access memory gen and quick speed the computer didn't manyo no like this one so jigdan again random access memory la see one I wouldn't am gwada me well bakalian what is the main function of an ALU in computers ALU arithmetic logical unit ALU la dengu jena one of the computer hardware component okay ALU jena wa it store data muku data store ka nguninin ka kon na me a memory B perform arithmetical and logical operation jena koreko ala ALU lade jala arithmetic logical unit lade o be operation is ka plus minus multiplication kan to wano ken boko operate again it perform arithmetic and logical operation nema ko deal ke arithmetic no computer be mas be remember take ALU arithmetic logical unit again kwal cha gorgwad me arithmetic and logic operation so jigdan AB na me she correct manage input and output no control hardware she janamone wanaka question 17 what is the smallest unit of data in a computer smallest unit amandian chwaledi small unit actually bit byte agent kilobyte agent megabyte detail on gur kan rodin bit amaniam byte gurne bit kilobyte gurne byte you know megabyte agent dan dinjen gurne kilobyte wona ka tetrani ki wona ka kini kondene kan ken megabyte la side of storage devices so jegdanangu a bit gen kwini gen long gen the smallest unit of data in a computer michi file chi la rek bi file be jeglo don't take 1 ki dong 2 ki dong 3 do no gen byte me 1 bit kwi long michi oka byte bi ngaje no chele me tie bit che jabal what does URL stand for URL wa shunga kango gen URL a uniform resource locator jegde a kwatame uniform resource locators Universal resource link, no. Uniform reference links, no. Universal remote locator, then a uniform resource locator, and mention URL kaje. URL ashira kami chilele www.facebook.com. No mo chale URL. Jalot kamone a uniform resource locator. Question 19. Question awal bang wandian. What is the primary function of a firewall in a computer network? Firewall awala dengu ka computer. Firewall emdit la de obe mik ala forgam kan jogo no jine lenere computer ka la ja woje la ja block. Ajen la dante ka ja. It block unauthorized access to the system. Ala unauthorized application mi jene be cheka mi hacker ko computer ko hack be ga kan gwada mo ajen lat ngade firewall. So firewall work is to block any application that try to access the system which is not being given an authority to do so. So A, ajani protect against viruses, protect against virus. B, manage memory. C, speed up the processor. D, block unauthorized access to the system. So jigdan gwada mengu again it block unauthorized access. Che protect na against virus no. Barami jene work system lo goro da computer da ja hack be firewall be je feno da breach ko computer mo. It block unauthorized access to the system. Question and jandang rodian 20. We company developed the Windows operating system. We company developed the Windows operating system. Windows operating system a company michal de ladamo. A Apple company, a Google, a Microsoft, a IBM, a Mandian, jeg de Microsoft. Microsoft company application diality rudian letka Windows operating system letka Microsoft especially Windows usement tama nga ledemo lede Microsoft yen ko te Microsoft Word application man take access ke Excel ke PowerPoint you know awewe neme agendan and gore de nyoga yekel ko shi listen men tama tije tuk no gore no jin bitin kon lat ko yen gwaz me bikangaj ko de kana lok ka ta dan de computer de ngai kaje shi kon listen me kon tuko gwa gore je en go jin bi gor no brodo ke me dor ke bi gor ko jen be jilwak by the way me wi je follow be jilwak long der jilwak ta dan let computer kaje so gore je no bi der common gwa mo de je nywa ne ko kien bani ko da ka kula lok gore je ban go jin der notification be der je twan ko be ngin content ba no gwada me bikan cha shu kaji ko gwada an fiber chu pero jeno be subscribe ani bi ataka mal ba no je ka ngi jodien bye bye.